Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial using Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. I have really been enjoying this palette. I really do love these colors and they have been really easy to work with. My plan is actually to do a few looks using the palette just because this palette is $9.99. That is super cheap for a palette, especially when you get quality shadows. I've been playing around with it. I've come up with a few looks that I really am into. This one today is just really simple. It's really easy. It's only 2 colors. So I went out to an event over the weekend. It was a 60s theme, like late 50s, early 60s. Women wore minimal makeup back then, and so I thought, okay, let me just see what I can put together. I gotta put something on. And then I just put the 2 colors together and then I popped on the red lip and then that was it. So I thought that was a great look for that evening. I'm really digging this palette right now and I really can't get over the price. I mean, $9.99, that's a steal. I think the regular price on the palette is $16.99. When I purchased it at my local beauty store, it was 50% off. You know what I'm gonna say. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to take this makeup journey with me. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. So if you want to see how I got this really simple eye look, stay tuned. I dare you to. Yeah, do that. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Before we get started, don't mind if I do. I went to Napa a few weeks ago for a friend's birthday, and I joined a wine club. I was specifically told not to do because the last time I went to Napa, I joined a wine club, and I was part of the wine club for a whole year, which was good because I got champagne every month, which was amazing. And at the end of the year, they sent these huge magnum bottles of champagne. I still have to this day. When I went to Napa a few weeks ago, I was specifically told not to join the wine club, but the wine was so amazing that I couldn't pass it up. Okay. Let's get started. Today's going to be a really simple look, like I mentioned before. So I will start off by priming my face. I'm using the Touch and Soul primer. I really do like this primer. I typically don't like primers that kind of have that silky feel to it, even though they say for your pores and stuff. I don't know. I just find that even the most expensive ones still make my foundation break apart. So I actually like to use this in conjunction with a mattifying primer, and I feel that that works best. So you just kind of have to play around with, you know, the different combinations and just kind of see what works. That's what I do. It's a lot of work, but you know, it's really on, is it important to you? Today I'm using the YSL All Hours foundation. I honestly really do love this foundation, but I don't use it enough. I'm constantly trying stuff, that's why, but I mean, if there's a time where I don't really need to do my makeup for film, then this, and I'm going out, then this is really what I reach for. My skin has been a little weird lately, so what I've actually been doing is using a beauty sponge to blend out my foundation. Normally I use a brush, but I just feel like my skin has been a little bit more on the flaky side because I'm doing the derma rolling still. I find that the sponge works better when my skin is a little bit more flaky, so let's do that. Listen, listen, listen. Now I'm just going to spot conceal using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer that I absolutely love. today I am highlighting with the Tarte Shape Tape, and if you're wondering, this is the color Light Sand. I'm just trying to keep it on the light side just because I'm not doing a major eye look, so I do try to keep it a little on the subtle side, but I mean I still do highlight, so let's do that. Okay, so now I'm going to set everything with my RCMA No Color powder. I always get it confused. No color, colorless, same thing. I just pop some in my hand. Today I am using my favorite bronzer at the moment. Like I mentioned, I think in my last video, I really do like this bronzer. I don't know, it's just so convenient. And I am using my Tarte Corky. It just pops them on my cheeks. Today I'm actually trying a liquid highlighter. This is going to be really interesting just because I want to try and see what it looks like over my powdered skin. So this one is Makeup Revolution, and this one is Luminous Gold. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna pop a few drops right here, and then I'm going to tap it out with my beauty sponge. So let's see what happens. I definitely like it. I'll try and put it on after my foundation and see if it makes a difference. So normally I don't do my eyebrows on camera, but just because I did a whole tutorial on that, but I'm gonna do it on camera today for you guys. Today I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in the color Ebony. Let's do this. Let me clean these up real quick because they are a mess. I need to get my eyebrows done. I don't get them done for like 2 weeks, so yeah, that's just great. Okay. Now that my brows are done, I am going to clean them up with some concealer because they look like a hot mess right now. So let me do that. Let me just set these bad boys because they will go like all over the place. Oh, this is it. Bum, bum, bum. I'm taking nudes. Nudes, this one right here, and putting it all over my lid to my crease. Now I am taking this color Classy. And all I'm gonna do is use my ring finger again and just pat it all over my lid. And then now I'm just gonna go back in with that blending brush that I used to apply the first color and just kind of blend it all together. I'm just gonna put on some liner, and I'm using the Kat Von D ink liner, and this one is just black, so let's do that. I am going to put some lashes on and some lipstick, and I will be right back and we can chat. Okay guys, so I put some lashes on, I put on a red lip. I feel like the red lip is really what makes the statement. I love looks like this just because they're so easy. At the same time, you know, I feel like it is very elegant. There's just something about having a red lip, and this red lip. So on my lips, I am wearing the Fenty Stunna lip paint. That's what it is. I don't know what it is about this red lip, but it just makes my lips look amazing. I wore this same red lip on Saturday, and I mean, it lasted for probably a bottle and a half of wine. Like, seriously. The applicator is really easy to use, which I do love. Like, it's really interesting shaped. It does make it easy to apply it. And then usually what I do is I take a really thin brush like this, and this one is my Crown C514 brush, and then I just do the bottoms just because I want to make sure that my lines are clean. But other than that, that's it, and it's just super easy. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, bye!